How to log in blockchain wallet account. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into your blockchain wallet account, whether you're using the website or mobile app. I've got you covered, so let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your browser and go to the blockchain website at www.blockchain.com. Or alternatively, you can also open the blockchain wallet app. Now what you need to do is simply tap on the three horizontal lines at the top, and at the bottom we can see sign up. Tap on it. Now it will take you to your different page. Here you'll need to enter your email address or username associated with your blockchain wallet account. Make sure to double check any typos and simply enter your new password and be confirmed by entering the password again. After you've done that, simply choose your country of residence and also enter your referral code. After that, you need to simply click tick mark on agree to terms and services of blockchain, and that's it. After you've done that, you may need to enter your verification code from the email address that you provided, and that's it. That's how you can sign up for blockchain wallet.